Welcome to part 2 of Nessie the Jellyfish tutorial. In this video we're going to be going over how to do the middle section of the head. Once you've taken out the stitch marker of the previous round, we can insert our hook and get our tension ready. Make sure your hook isn't too tight or too loose, and then place a single crochet in the next available stitch. And then place a stitch marker in that stitch. And now for the rest of the round, we're going to be placing a single crochet in each stitch around the circle. We're actually going to be doing this for the next 5 rounds. So rounds 5 to 9 are the exact same, and all you're doing is placing a single crochet in every single stitch around the circle. This is going to form a cup shape at the end. So now that we've completed the first round of single crochet stitches, I'm going to show you how to count your rows in case you get lost or in case you put your work down and you're not sure where you left off. So here you can see each arrow is pointing to a round. So you can kind of see the difference between the rounds by looking at the holes in between each one, and they kind of form a circle in each round. So you can see here round 1 is the very center, and then round 2, 3, 4, and 5. So this is a guide to help you see how many rows you've done in total. So if you lose track of where you are in the video, you can count how many rows you've done by counting the center circle and each row outwards. There needs to be 9 rows by the end of the video. So this is row 6, and again I'm just single crocheting in each stitch around for a total of 32 stitches. It's also good to count your stitches every once in a while just to make sure that you're placing 1 single crochet in each stitch and you're not accidentally missing stitches or increasing. So we're coming up on round 7 here. Don't forget to move your stitch marker at the end of each round. And now we are on to round 8. And again, don't forget to move your stitch marker. And now we're on the very last round, so this is round 9. Don't forget to move your stitch marker over. And this is going to be the last round of single crochet stitches. Now that we're done round 9, that completes this section of the jellyfish. So we've done the middle of their head. And you can see it forms a cup shape. So in the next video, we're going to be learning how to decrease and making the cup smaller. And we're going to add the little frilly bit around the head and also add on the face. Part 3 will be linked in the description of the video, and I will see you there.